Welcome everybody, welcome back to Homestead Heart, and today we are headed to another small town in Georgia. We are on our way to Musella, Georgia for a nice sweet treat, you all. Sometimes you have got to just work, when you're out there working in that garden, sometimes you just got to say, you know what, let me take a break. Let me go do something fun.
Yeah.
Put this air on me, I'm burning up.
Yeah, because it's so hot. We want to make sure we get some enjoyment out of this summer, you know, this garden season.
Yep.
We got to mix it up some, you know?
You do. It's hot.
Yeah.
So, you know, when it gets to be like right in the middle of the day, when it gets really, really hot, that's the perfect time to take a break. So Mr. H and I are taking a break, and we are going for a nice slow ride in the country and headed to Musella. Now, once we get to Musella, we are going to show you all where we are going, right?
Yeah.
It's going to be a surprise.
Yeah, it's going to be surprising.
It ain't going to stop bouncing because we hit all these little bumps in this old road.
Yeah, yeah. So we have to make the best of all of this summer heat.
Yeah.
We got to get some treats.
Yeah, we got to get a nice treat, you all.
Yeah.
Plus, it's a nice place to visit, too. You know, so if you are in middle Georgia, I know that Broke Farmer is in middle Georgia. There's another YouTuber as well that's in middle Georgia. I can't think of her name at the moment, but I recently ran across her channel, and I literally just fell in love
Yeah.
with her channel, you know. So I have to go back in my history and see like what's the name of her channel, but I just love what she's doing in her garden, and she's also in middle Georgia too.
Yeah, because once you find you got a neighbor that's doing the same thing, you know, it makes you feel so much better, like you're not alone in this, what we're trying to do, how we're trying to grow our own groceries and make the best out of it, and kind of coming up with different ways how we can make it better.
Right. And toss ideas around and all of that, you know. I recently redid the, I think it's like the about portion of our channel. I recently did the about portion of our channel and made it new because I wanted something to kind of reflect really who we are as at Homestead Heart. And I figured that, wow, I'll post that because so many of you are the same. And so I decided to go ahead and change that. So if you want to see that, I don't know if it might be too much to be in the comment section, but I think definitely it should have posted in the about section of our channel, you all, because that's what we're all about. We're all about learning from one another, sharing what we do, sharing ideas and all of that. It just makes it, I don't know, it just makes it better, I guess, when you are sharing and talking and learning one from the other. Man, it makes the gardening experience that much more enjoyable, right? When you have somebody to toss your ideas around.
Yeah.
So you all, I know you all have been busy working in the garden. I saw the comment of one of our viewers who said, we do not click on a Homestead Heart video until all our work is done.
Wow.
So I think she said, because she said we have her out there thinking that she can do stuff that she can't. So,
okay.
I forgot exactly how she worded it, but she posted that comment. Y'all, we've been working in this garden. We had a nice little harvest of bell pepper, tomatillos, tomatoes. The birds are really destroying our tomatoes.
Man, that's the first time we ever had birds that just come in and just
tear them up like that. I mean, and they got waterers out there, but they are tearing up our tomatoes, and I think it's because the water's probably hot. Yeah. I think we have to move the waterer.
Oh man.
I don't know, maybe put it under the shade tree or something, because maybe that water has gotten too hot, and that's why. Yeah. Because it is so hot, and they are looking for something to drink. So literally, they are sipping on tomato juice.
Yes, they are.
They bad.
They are. They just ripping them apart. Man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like it, man. I mean, it hurts you, you know. It hurts you, you know.
It does. Yeah, it really does. It really does. So anyway, you all, when we get to where we're gonna bring y'all back and share with you all about Zella and where we like to stop in from time to time. So y'all stay tuned.
Yes. Right, y'all. Here we are.
We are here. We're gonna turn the camera around so y'all can see where we at.
Yeah.
Okay, you all. So we are at Dickey Farms, you all. Yeah, let's go this way. We are at Dickey Farms, and it is such a beautiful little place here at Dickey Farms. And then they have the little veggie stand across the street, the old school general store and fueling station. They have the little area for the children out here at Dickey Farms where they can go over and play while they have their little sweet treats and whatnot. I just think it's wonderful.
Oh, it is. It's nice.
And of course they have strawberries. And look what they building over there. They building something new.
Yeah.
But this is where we are. Dickey Farm. Alright, y'all. Why are we here? We are here for one reason today and one reason only. And that's for the ice cream. But look, it's a nice little shop. They have all kind of little goodies and mugs and all of that. One of the things that really captures my attention that I love to come here, not for the t-shirts, but I love to come and look at to see what they have put in jars to can. As you can see, they have all kind of peach jam, peach fig, strawberry, bear jam. Y'all, I don't know what bear jam is. I have never heard of bear jam. And if you all know what bear jam is, please post it in the comment section below.
Traffic jam.
Oh, wow. Traffic jam. Go figure.
Raspberry jam.
Raspberry jam, raspberry peach jam. They have all kinds of treats. Old-fashioned peach butter, apple butter. You know, we know all about apple butter at Homestead Heart.
Yes, we do.
Because we do a lot of that, right?
Yeah.
And then they have all kind of little treats down here as well. And one of the other sections that I took note of was their little bread section. They have a jalapeno cheddar bread, peach bread as well. As you can see, that peach bread, well, actually all of it sells out pretty fast. The table is just about empty here, right?
Yeah.
Look at all of that. Yeah, this whole little rack is completely empty here, right? And of course they have honey and honey straws and what is this? Oh, peach berry iced tea. Now that's very interesting right there. Peach berry iced tea. This is Moroccan mint green tea, and then the honey straws that they have. And then of course they have some other fresh fruits here, some fresh berries up here as well. And they have a lot of blueberries, you all. Those blueberries look absolutely amazing. And you actually couldn't be in Georgia anywhere and don't get yourself some pecans, right?
Yeah.
Come on now, you gotta get some pecans.
Yeah.
Now this is a honey roasted cinnamon and a praline crunch pecan. Awesome. Oh, that's one called, that one is Sweet Heat. Right here. Chocolate covered pecans.
Over in the cold thing over there.
Oh, wow. Okay,
Check that out.
okay.
Yeah.
That's right up your alley. You love
that's
chocolate.
Right up my alley. Be over there.
Yeah. And of course, we wouldn't be at Dickey Farms without peaches, right? Those peaches look absolutely amazing, right? That's awesome, you all. And they have the little smaller containers up top for the peaches as well. And then they have some other produce here. Of course, the pepper. Y'all, we got all this in the garden already. Squash and onions and bell pepper and all of that. And if you want to just sit and relax, they even have rocking chairs for you to just come out and sit and enjoy your sweet treats, right? All right, so now let's go over to why we are here. We're here for one reason. Now they do have pickles and chow chow, and chow chow is really like a southern thing. I don't really hear people talk about it much in the north. Chow chow is primarily something that you find in the south, and then they have a pear relish right here, and I think that might be absolutely delicious. A pear relish.
Yeah. Follow me this way.
Follow you?
You see their production?
Oh yeah, let's look at their operation. This is where the magic happens. Looks like they're shutting it down for the day, but this is where all of the peaches come in right off the farm, and they're brought through on the conveyor belt. They're washed and cleaned, and then they're packaged. And once they are packaged, they are sent out here to us so that we can grab us a nice big box of peaches, right?
Yeah.
And you can actually sit here and watch it, because like I said, they have the rocking chairs here, and you can actually sit here and watch how the production happens here at Dickey Farms. They are very open to the public like that. So anyway, let's keep on going, because I want to show you all some other stuff.
Okay. You got the
Yeah, they have all kind of little stuff here. Oh, how sweet. Now let's see what kind of grenade these are. This is called the General's hot sauce. Isn't that something?
This is the beef steak.
Ooh. What is this one right here, baby? The General's hot sauce. What that say? I ain't got my glasses
The
on.
General's hot sauce.
What that say though? It's got a variety on it.
It says shock and awe.
Ooh, Lord.
The General hot sauce. Ooh, what's that? Hog.
I can't see. Let me see. Is that jalapeno?
Jalapeno.
I don't know. I can't even see it.
It's HOOAH.
Oh, I don't know. Don't even ask me.
And this one right here is real Reaper.
I don't know. We're going to stay away from this stuff, baby. I don't think we're ready. But anyway, you all. Where?
Smoky, hot smoky peach.
Smoky peach barbecue sauce.
Wow.
This is awesome. Peach buds. Is that a candy? I think that might be a candy.
Yeah.
So yeah, y'all, if y'all have never been to Dickey Farms, y'all can come in and sit under the ceiling fans in the rocking chair.
Dusty boot.
Barbecue sauce. Dusty boots.
Yeah, they got some sausage there.
Absolutely. Y'all, they have all kind of little sweet treats here. So we're gonna go ahead and show you all why we are here, okay? So let's get to it. Okay, you all. So why are we here? We are here to get one of our absolute favorite treats ever from this place. Now, Mr. H is over there looking at chocolate chip cookies, because that's what he wants. He wants a chocolate chip cookie, and that looks absolutely disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. How you doing? So, we are gonna get some ice cream. So this is our cashier right here at Dickey Farms, and she's gonna be helping us today. And I want the large waffle cone, the swirl is what I want.
All right.
And I think he's getting the same thing.
Same thing.
Okay.
Is that it?
And chocolate chip cookie.
Gross, 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 gross. But this is their little menu right here.
Eat your strawberry. That's all they got.
And
Can I
we're-
get it for you?
That's it.
1860.
And she's gonna give us our ticket, and then we're gonna go over and speak to the ladies over at the ice cream counter.
What flavor do you want? Look up here.
So you
Yes,
getting
ma'am.
your chocolate chip cookie?
Hey, gotta have fun sometime under the sun while we garden. We gardening, we working hard, so we deserve to play
Yeah,
a
it's a
little
break
bit.
time.
We deserve to play a little bit, right?
We do, we do.
That's what I'm talking about.
We're gonna get us some
Homestead
peach ice cream, but we're getting the peach and strawberry, and it's made right here at Dickey Farms, you all. Thank you.
Top of your ice cream at the second window.
Okay.
Thank you. You too. So this is where we come to get our ice cream. We come over here to the ice cream stand where they are gonna make our ice cream cones for us, you all. And this is actually called their front porch, okay? So this is the front porch. It's just undercover. So you can sit and relax. Isn't that awesome? We're gonna get our strawberry swirl ice cream going on.
We're gonna get our swirl on. Huh?
We all gonna get our swirl on. Hello. Hello. How are y'all? Good. How are you? So this is where we get our ice cream.
What happens to Mrs. H? She makes a mess.
What?
She makes a mess. She make a mess, y'all.
I don't make no mess.
Look at this, y'all. Wow.
Isn't that nice? Look at that big old ice cream cone.
Man, look at this.
Mr. H brought me out for ice cream.
Yes, I have to treat my queen to some ice cream. Yes, indeed.
Thank you so much. You too. All right, y'all. So we're gonna grab our ice
So
cream.
see your ice cream. There you go.
Y'all, this ice cream is awesome.
It is.
It's a peach and strawberry swirl, and they make the peach. Well, they grow the strawberries here and the peaches.
Yeah.
How you doing? And they make the ice cream. So y'all, this is awesome.
It's it.
Now,
It feels so
typically,
good up under here.
it feels so good up under here.
It does.
You all. So now typically we would sit right here in these rocking chairs and eat our ice cream. But we got to get back to the farm.
You gotta keep on pushing, y'all.
We got to keep on rolling. We'll see y'all after the ice cream is done. I know y'all don't want to watch us eat no ice cream.
I know they don't.
Especially if y'all are out there working in the heat. Y'all don't want to watch us eat no ice cream. Get down these steps.
For Super Subs, we're about to take down this ice cream in like fashion.
Mm-hmm.
Man, homemade ice cream. And just get a look at this store one more again. Right behind us. That old school store right there. Look at that.
Yep. So y'all, that's gonna do it. We're gonna get back to the farm. We're gonna eat our ice cream cone and enjoy our quick break. And we just wanted to bring you all along with us while we took this quick little field trip to Dickey Farms.
Yeah.
I know Broke Farmer be coming over here sometime, don't you, Broke? I know you do. It's right in your neighborhood. I know you do.
You got to, bro.
All right, y'all. We'll see y'all in a bit. And thanks for watching Homestead Heart. Peach ice cream and blessings.
Peace and blessings. Yes, yes, y'all.
Ooh, this is melting fast. We'll see y'all in the
Peace.
next video. So we decided to come back real quick because we would love to know, what is it that you all like to do to just take a quick break from the farm work or the work on the homestead and just have a little bit of enjoyment?
Yes.
Post it in the comment section because we would love to know. The next thing we're about to do, hopefully in a few days, we are going fishing.
Yes.
We going fishing because I love fishing.
Yeah,
so
me
we
too.
are going fishing, you all.
It's been a long time, but I'm ready to get back into the
That's
groove of it.
right. It's time to cast a rod.
It is. It is time.
All right, y'all. We're gonna enjoy our ice cream cone because we can't eat and talk. We'll see y'all in the next video.
Peace.
Oh, not just grow your groceries, but take a little time to enjoy yourself in the process. Okay?
That's
All
right.
right, y'all. Peace.
Peace.